What age did I wipe my own ass?
LOL.
Ribbit.
When you got married.
What's up, SB Squad? And welcome back to another video. This is the Sisters Edition. I've got my sissies here.
What's up, guys? It's your girl Molly.
Just say your name. I've got my sissies here.
Molly.
Sia.
And Chrissy.
So, we are going to have buzzers. So, Molly, what's your buzzer?
Hello. Hello.
Oh, hello. Okay.
Take it as you want. Hello. Chrissy's is
Beep. Mine's Ribbit. Yeah, so I'm just going to be doing these questions off the top of my head because I didn't prepare any. So, the first question is, what is my full name?
Hello.
Well, I heard Chris first.
Oh wow.
Victoria.
Hello.
Tua Kelly Wallace. What?
Tua Kelly Wallace.
Anyone? I can't believe these guys don't know my name.
Victoria Tua Key. So no one gets my answer then.
No, my name now. You don't get 2 tries, you only get 1 in this game.
Beep. Victoria Key.
Victoria Key.
Hello.
No, none of them got that. Molly, no one got that. I can't believe they don't know my name.
Wait, if they don't have
No,
the answer right.
Nobody got that. My name is Victoria Tuaki.
Look, as long as we know the first name and the last name, that's all.
I can't believe that. What kind of sisters are these?
Alright, next question.
Okay, so what is my date of birth?
Hello.
17th of January 1993.
Where was I born?
Beep.
Beep. Oh, Chris.
Hello.
Chrissy.
Hello.
Melbourne. Victoria.
Hello.
No, it's
Specific.
No.
Dandenong.
Yeah.
No. You gave her too much time.
Well, I'm not being very specific, so she got it.
I nailed all of them anyway, so.
No, you didn't get my name.
Hurry up, then next one.
What is my husband's name?
Hello.
Full name.
Oh, Beep. Siaosi Filomanaya Key.
Hello. Siaosi. Key.
Like, how are we supposed to know that?
Siaosi.
About you?
Siaosi Falala. Key.
Nah, Molly did get it. Siaosi Key.
Oh yeah, boy.
What age did I wipe my own ass?
Hello.
Ribbit.
When you got married.
Molly.
She bossed up and did it. Just like that.
When
I don't know.
you were
2. Yeah, she got it right. I keep saying
Yeah. So
how old was I when I had
Be careful.
my first kiss?
hello.
Okay, Chris doesn't know that one.
What? She doesn't.
Hello.
She was 11.
I know. No, I know. I'll tell you. She was 18. 17. 18.
No.
Yeah.
She was
Two-
about 8.
No,
I think she was 14.
no. Chris got it right the first time.
Yeah, 11.
11.
11.
Whoops.
Okay, hurry up then. Next one.
Wow. I want to tell you guys something. I can cut it out later. Chris, do you know Chris?
Who was it? Hurry up.
I can't even say it. I'm so embarrassed.
Oh, really?
Oh, I think you remember.
Where's that? His house when we. Yep, I just told them who it was. They had no idea this whole time. As you can see, the looks on their faces. Okay, so what is my favorite hot food?
Ribbit.
Hello.
Your favorite hot food?
Damn, what is it?
I think is
One eternity later.
I think it's hot chips.
Yeah, she got it.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
Is that it?
Yeah.
Is that your favorite hot food? Oh, it's so literal.
Boring.
Hot chips. That's what I said in my other video with Siaosi.
Okay, next one.
Oh, that's how I know that.
What countries have I been to? You have to answer in 5 seconds.
Hello.
Ribbit.
Chris
Chris.
goes first.
New Zealand, Samoa,
1,
Singapore,
2, 3, 4,
Fiji.
Going first.
Yes.
Yeah, that was it.
How many countries?
Just 4.
When did you go to Fiji?
Samoa.
Stop my phone.
Fiji. Let
No,
me say.
because
Hello.
Molly.
Samoa, Fiji, Singapore, New Zealand, and Australia.
She lives here, so it doesn't count.
Yeah, that doesn't count.
You're still in this country. How many countries have I been to? You've gone out of the country and come back to this country.
Oh, okay, so if I would never go out of the country, would I say how many countries I've been to?
You
LOL,
just say
the one that
one.
live in.
You just
No,
say one,
yeah,
right? You just say one.
No.
If
This is my
just say
challenge.
one.
What is my tax file number?
hello. We don't know.
No, you can say, we're not going to tell you in case you go and commit fraud and try and take it back.
What is the number on my birth certificate?
What the hell?
Y'all
Y'all don't know me.
This is how my brain feels right now.
What date did I get married?
Hello. Okay, Grace, babe.
The 19th of January.
No.
Ribbit! It was 17.
No.
No.
11.
No.
Hot or cold?
No.
9.
It was
No.
what year? 2017. It was the
Do these people
21st.
know me? It was the 30th of January 2016. Where do I work and what is my title?
Ribbit!
Hello.
You work in an IT department in Department of Human Services, and your role is help
Okay.
desk support officer
Sack.
for SAP
I don't know
So-
actually.
system.
That's a hard question. I don't know those ones.
Was that right?
No.
Where do you work?
I do work for DHS in the IT department for SAP security operations. I'm an administrator.
I was gonna say that.
What did I want to be when I was younger, when I grew up?
For what?
Like when I was younger, what did
What
I
did you
want to
wanna
be
be?
when I grew
that's
up?
it. Beep. You wanted to be a policewoman.
No.
Ribbit!
Hello. You wanted to be a writer,
No.
a journalist.
You wanted to work at McDonald's.
Didn't
Hello. You actually wanted to be a singer.
No.
I think you wanted to be a lolly factory owner.
No, I know. She wanted to be a lawyer, like Sia.
I wanted to be a teacher, a maths teacher.
Oh,
Oh.
What's something that's completely changed about me as I got older?
Hello.
I don't even know if I have
Hello.
to this. Well,
You grew skinnier.
no, I grew fatter.
Ribbit! I think you become less insecure about yourself.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So stop calling me fat on huh? What was the one thing that everyone commented about me when I was young?
Ribbit! Beep! Susulong. Because it's just my bottom lip. That's what everyone teased her about.
No, I always think people used to hate on me and call me Kokorikiki.
Oh, because she was so nosy. She was so
Yeah, so noisy that she was going through our cameras. We came back from the night.
And our diary.
Going through our drawers.
Okay, what was my favourite book when I was young?
Hello.
In high school, I would say.
Beep, beep, beep.
What?
Her favourite book when she was in high school.
None of you guys will get this.
She used to carry it around all the time.
What was
It
it?
was called... I pass it to pass it back.
It was either Twilight or Harry Potter, Roald Dahl, whatever.
Yeah, it was a Roald Dahl book.
Roald Dahl. Roald Dahl
Roald
is
Dahl.
the one that big friendly giant.
Oh, well, it
J.K.
was Twilight or Harry Potter. Yeah, J.K. Rowling.
So it would be. I actually didn't think of Harry Potter, but that was one of them. But it was also Looking for Ella Brandy.
Yeah, that's the one.
What is my favorite color?
Beep.
Ribbit!
Chris.
Purple.
Yay! How many boyfriends have I had?
Hello,
Ribbit.
18.
Oh, beep. 6.
Hold on.
What?
Yes.
What are you talking
These are
about?
the
Yeah, I said Ribbit before Chris said her big.
Cut this out because cut this out. You had the
I never got out with.
Yes, you did.
Never. No, I didn't.
It's 3.
Hello.
She's right.
Hello.
3.
Who's the third?
Pussy. He was a boyfriend.
Pussy.
Pussy.
thing, and who's the third?
You don't need to know.
So then how do we know it's true?
3.
What? Ollie,
How do we know it's true?
Oh, okay.
So who's the third?
Yes!
How many
Who's the
boys have we
first?
got?
Who was the first?
No one. I don't know how many everyone has, but I'll put it on the screen. So I've got 2 more
Why do they know how many we had?
to see who won.
To see who wins.
Oh, I thought she meant she's gonna put in how many boyfriends we had. I was like, why the hell did I need to know how many boyfriends we had?
Oh, yeah, cool. Boy. Molly, you didn't even say it right.
How do you say it?
What was the most embarrassing obsession of my childhood?
Hello, going through Sears cupboards and diary,
So annoying.
looking into her life.
None of you will get this. So I was obsessed with
Eating her lunch before school. And not going to school.
no, I was obsessed with Daniel Radcliffe,
Why does that name ring? Yeah.
and I used to go up on the mountains when I was like 14, 15, 16, and just sorry about that. The thingy died. It was Daniel Radcliffe. I used to go up on the mountains, just cry and sing songs. And just think, oh my gosh, I wish I was with him. Anyway, so you didn't get that one. How many friends did I have when I was in year 1?
Beep.
Hello.
1.
Did she have 1 or 0?
I had 1.
Good one.
And what was her name?
Beep. Hello.
Chris.
Aileen.
Yeah!
Oh, and Lucas.
And what is my favorite drink? Soda.
Hello.
Hurry up, 5.
Pepsi Max.
Yeah.
That's
And
mine.
what's my panty size?
Hello.
Shut up!
24.
XL.
Okay, guys, this is the last question before we wrap it up and we end it. For here, sorry it was a bit all over the place. We just decided to do this tag today, so we didn't really structure it well. But anyways, you guys would have enjoyed it. So the last question is, who is my favorite sister?
Hello.
Ribbit.
All of us.
Clearly it's me.
Ribbit.
A-O-U.
A-O-U.
Oh.
A-O-U. Oh, all of us.
Nah. I feel like Chris won the challenge, but I'll definitely put it up on the screen. Chris knows me best because I am closest with her.
Whatever.
But
If you enjoyed the video, make sure you give it a thumbs up.
And make sure you subscribe and hit that notification bell so that you get all the updates.
And go right ahead and leave a great comment.
and so that's it, guys, and we'll see you guys next time. SV Squad signing out.